I'm packing orders. Let's see what Elle got. The first thing she got was my Wax Melt Warmer bundle. It comes with your choice of color for your Wax Melt Warmer. It'll come with 2 soy tea lights and then your choice of wax melts. She also got one of my Cleansing Intention car diffusers. They look like this. Clean fragrances, no TBG. It has herbs, crystals, and Reiki in them. This one is cleansing to cleanse the energy in your car and in your space. So she got one of those. She also got a prosperity ritual salt. This is good for like money bowls and money rituals. And she also got an awakening wax melt, which is like the best seller. My whole shop is on sale right now for the TikTok early Black Friday sale, and you can click over there to get yours. Bye. Thanks, Elle. We can't forget your packed on TikTok sticker, so you know that I packed it for you when you open this. Bye.